Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to find sine of 135 degrees, cosine of 5 pi over 4, and tangent of negative 9 pi over 4. You can see that 135 degree angle has been sketched and labeled. To evaluate sine function, we need to know y and r. If this angle is 135 degrees, then this angle is 45 degrees. If we draw a line perpendicular to the x-axis, we get a 45, 90 degree right triangle. That means if this length is 1, then this length is also 1. But remember, in the second quadrant, x-coordinates are all negative. Negative 1 for the x-coordinate and positive 1 for the y-coordinate. Now we're ready to evaluate sine of 135 degrees. Sine is defined as y over r. Y is positive 1. R equals the square root of negative 1 squared plus 1 squared. That'll be square root 2. We need to rationalize the denominator. So let's multiply by square root 2 over square root 2. And the answer is square root 2 over 2. Let's take a look at the next one. Cosine of 5 pi over 4. First, let's sketch the angle. 5 pi over 4, the terminal side lies in the third quadrant. If from here to here is 5 pi over 4, then this angle is pi over 4. Let's pick a point on the terminal side and then draw a line from this point perpendicular to the x-axis to form a right triangle. If one of the acute angles is pi over 4, then the other is also pi over 4. That means their opposite lengths are equal. If the length of this side is 1, then the length of this side is also 1. Next, let's fill in the xy coordinate. Since the point is in the third quadrant, xy coordinates are both negative. So we have a negative 1, negative 1. Let's figure out the r using the Pythagorean theorem. That'll be square root 2. And we're ready to evaluate cosine of 5 pi over 4. That'll be x over r. X is negative 1. R is square root 2. Rationalize the denominator, multiplying by square root 2 over square root 2, and we have negative square root 2 over 2. Let's take a look at the last one. Tangent of negative 9 pi over 4. We need to locate the terminal side of this angle. We know negative 9 pi over 4. We can rewrite this as negative pi minus 8 pi over 4. That will be negative pi over 4 minus 2 pi. That means negative pi over 4 is coterminal with negative 9 pi over 4. And it's easy to sketch negative pi over 4. So the terminal side of negative pi over 4 is over here. And it's coterminal with negative 9 pi over 4. So let's label it with negative 9 pi over 4. This will be the angle pi over 4. Again, we're going to do the same thing. Pick a point on the terminal side and then draw a line perpendicular to the x-axis to form a 45, 90 degree right triangle. Let's label this one is also pi over 4. So if the length of this is 1, then this is also 1. Let's label the point with its xy coordinate. Since this point is in the fourth quadrant, x coordinate is positive, but y coordinate is negative. And r, previously we have done it twice, and we know r is square root 2. So let's evaluate tangent of negative 9 pi over 4. It's equal to y over x. Y is negative 1, x is 1. So the ratio is negative 1. Thank you for watching. I hope you like this video. Please like, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell. I hope to see you in my next video.